Today, we're going to talk about the subjunctive.
What's the subjunctive?
The subjunctive is used when you need to express necessity.
So when would I use it?
Here, let's give an example.
Donna, it's important that you clean up your room.
Okay, Mom. Mary, it is necessary that you read this book.
Okay, Miss Persine.
Well, Mary, how would you start a sentence using the subjunctive?
Well, Yana, there are a few different phrases you can use to start off a sentence. Here are some examples. Il est important que. Il est nécessaire que. Il est bon que. Il est essentiel que. Il est normal que. And il vaut mieux que.
Wow, Mary, nice job.
Conjugate the subjunctive.
Well, Mary, for a regular verb, you would take the EL pluriel form of the verb and then take off the ENT. Then you would add on the subjunctive endings, which is E for je, ES for to, E for EL on, IONS for new, IEZ for vous, and ENT for EL pluriel.
Isn't that right, Mocha?
Yeah, it is.
Can you give me some examples?
Sure, Mary. Here are two examples in French. Il est bon que nous parlions français, and il est nécessaire que je sorte avec mes amis.
It makes so much sense now.
Well, Mary, there are always exceptions in French, right?
You're right, Yana. And for the subjunctive, the four big verbs, faire, être, avoir, and aller, are exceptions. They have different conjugation rules.
Wow, Mary, how do you do that?
Well, for faire, the conjugation is je fasse, tu fasses, il fasse, nous fassions, vous fassiez, and il fasse. And then for être, the conjugations are je sois, tu sois, il soit, nous soyons, vous soyez, and il soit.
Wow, Mary, I learned so much.
But what about aller and avoir?
Well, Mary, that's a good question. Aller would be conjugated. J'aille, tu ailles, il, elle, I, nous allions, vous alliez, and il, elle, I.
Oh.
And then avoir is conjugated. J'ai, tu es, il, elle, est, nous ayons, vous ayez, and il, elle, est.
Perfect. But how about some example sentences?
Good question, Mary. Here are two example sentences. Il est essentiel que vous avez deux livres. Here's another. Il est important que tu sois sympa.
Wow.
How about two more, Mary?
Okay. Il est normal qu'il aille à la bibliothèque. And il vaut mieux qu'elle fasse ses devoirs.
Wow, Mary, is there any French you don't know?
Now it's time for the assessment. We're going to give you 5 sentences in English and you have to translate them into French. Feel free to pause the video as you write them down. So Yana, why don't you tell us some sentences?
Alright, sentence number 1 is it is necessary that I do my homework. Sentence number 2 is it is not important that you sing well. Sentence number 3 is it is essential that you brush your teeth.
True story.
Alright, Mary, what are 2 more sentences?
Okay, here's another one. It is better that he walks to school. And finally, the last one. It is normal that they are mean. Any more help, you can reference pages 78, 86, and 87 in the Red Book.
Bye! Take the EL pluriel version, and then you would, wait, or, crap!
And then what about Alon? Alons and...
Allez!
Wait, damn!
How fast! Oh gosh, okay, never mind. Good job learning the...
This is embarrassing.
Yeah.